Millions of Americans continue to learn they'll be staying home for quite some time after the state of Louisiana saw its largest increase in novel coronavirus deaths in 24 hours, its governor extending the stay-at-home order to April 30th. The state's lieutenant governor telling ABC,
"And if these numbers continue, we will be maxed out at hospitals and ventilators by the end of the weekend."
One of Louisiana's hardest hit areas, New Orleans. Officials say massive gatherings at Mardi Gras served as a super spreader of the virus. Hospital workers in the Crescent City determined but afraid.
It's scary because we are seeing so many of our patients get so sick. It's scary because we recognize that we may ourselves get sick. And it's even scarier knowing that our friends and our family and our loved ones have the potential of getting sick as well.
Also, hundreds of Americans trapped at sea, desperate to get home. A pair of Holland America cruise ships with hundreds of sick people on board, several confirmed to have COVID-19, have been turned away from several countries and are now heading toward Florida, while Florida's governor, Ron DeSantis, who's been under increasing pressure for several weeks to issue statewide stay-at-home orders, finally issued that order today.
You know, when the president did the 30-day extension, to me, that was, people aren't just going to go back to work. That's a national pause button. I had concerns about how some of that would affect different communities in Florida who have not been hit the same way, and I don't anticipate getting hit the same way.
And the biggest surge in cases is still happening in New York. Governor Andrew CUOMO now closing playgrounds, and he says the state could still have many months to go.
Other people talk about getting back to work, starting the economy, April, May, June. This model says it could go on through July.